Welcome back to Raching Cars, your ultimate destination for car lovers and modification enthusiasts. Today, we dive into a beast reborn, the modern modified 2026 Dodge D50 Pickup, a nostalgic classic turned into a futuristic powerhouse. This retro-inspired machine has been completely overhauled, combining vintage charm with cutting-edge performance and style. Under the hood, the 2026 Dodge D50 packs a modern 3.6-liter twin-turbo V6 engine producing a massive 475 horsepower and 500 pound-feet of torque. Mated with an 8-speed automatic transmission and optional paddle shifters, this pickup ensures lightning-fast gear changes and smooth power delivery. The drivetrain offers both rear-wheel and selectable all-wheel drive modes, providing versatility for both track days and off-road adventures. A cold air intake system and a custom-tuned EQ take performance to the next level, while a dual-exit titanium exhaust gives the D50 a fierce growl. The suspension setup has been completely modernized with adjustable COI levers and reinforced control arms, ensuring a lowered stance without sacrificing ride comfort. The Brembo Performance Brake Kit with 6-piston calipers ensures precise stopping power, while 20-inch forged alloy wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport tires deliver ultimate grip. Step inside and you're greeted by a fusion of retro and modern design. The dashboard retains the classic boxy lines but now features a 12-inch digital instrument cluster and a 10.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Custom leather bucket seats, red stitching, and carbon fiber inserts give the interior a sporty yet premium vibe. Ambient lighting and a premium Harman Kardon sound system complete the modern cabin experience. On the exterior, the D50 receives a bold new look with a widebody kit, aggressive front splitter, LED headlamps, and a vented hood for heat extraction. The rear features a custom tailgate, smoked taillights, and a functional diffuser that enhances aerodynamics. A two-tone matte paint job with blacked-out accents gives it a mean, unmistakable presence on the road. That's all for today's feature on this legendary rebirth, the 2026 Dodge D50 like you've never seen it before. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Raching Cars for more insane builds, auto news, and everything in the world of performance machines. Until next time, keep racing and keep dreaming.